Welcome to Exercise 2 of the iMachining Professor Jumpstart series, iMachining of a Bracket. This example illustrates the use of SolidCAM's iMachining technology to machine the part shown here. In this video, you will see standard 2.5D toolpaths, as well as 3D toolpaths to aid in the complete CNC programming of this part. Like in Exercise 1 of this series, the machining will be performed on a 3-axis CNC machine. Only this time, we will use two setups, machining both sides of the part. First, we'll need to open our example SolidCAM part. Please note that the example file called iMachining1.prz will be included with this interactive Jumpstart PDF and can be opened by simply clicking on the part name inside the PDF. For 2.5D customers without HSR and HSS, please open the iMachining 1 25D only.prz example that does not contain the 3D operations. SolidWorks will automatically open with the CAM part already programmed in SolidCAM. We are simply going to show you the operations that were created to perform the machining of this part. The first two iMachining operations perform the cutting of the outside shape of the part. Double-click on iRough Outside in the CAM Manager to open the iMachining operation dialog. By clicking the Show button in the Geometry branch, we can see that the two chains are defined, with the first being the stock boundary and the second being the profile around the part. The stock chain was marked as open, which specifies the tool should approach from the outside, collapsing in towards the part profile. We are using a 1/2-inch diameter end mill. We also have a -25 thou delta depth, so the tool machines deeper than the part. In the Technology branch, we can see that this iRough operation has a 10 thou allowance on the wall. Let's click Simulate and take a look at the toolpath at work. Using the default HostCAD mode, we see that the corners are cleared first during simulation, and then the entire outside contour is machined. Using Solid Verify, let's watch the tool move through the solid stock material in 3D. Let's exit the simulation and take a look at the next operation in our CAM Manager. To create this iFinish Outside iMachining operation, we've simply used the Save and Copy function that we see here in our current iMachining operation dialog. Click Exit and open the following operation. iFinish was chosen for technology. When we look in the Technology branch and under the iRest Data tab, we can see that the previous iRough Outside operation appears in the Parent Operation combo box, meaning that the technological parameters of the current operation are inherited from the previous parent operation. Under the Technology tab, notice how the wall offset now has a value of 0 and is blocked from being changed. This iFinish operation will use the same tool and have the same -25 thou delta depth. Let's click Simulate to view our toolpath. First, we'll use HostCAD. Then, we'll look at the machining of our part in Solid Verify. Let's exit our simulation and operation dialogs.